Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and a demo test for XPPen Deco Mini. I bought this from Amazon just because I use this for the online class and teaching online. This is a really good product. It's being made in China. Let's open the box to see what's included. First, let's put everything on the table. We can go through one by one. And the first is the warranty, just one-pager warranty, pretty straightforward. This is the quick guide specific for the iPhone usage, very straightforward, multi-language. And this is a quick guide for Deco series, just the pad. Very in general, it applies to different model, not only Deco Mini, but also Deco other model. Here's a pen, very ergonomic design. It's black color with 2 click buttons. Very convenient compared with the regular pen, similar length, a little bit thicker. And this is a very interesting accessory. It actually can remove the pin head. Very convenient. You don't have to damage your fingernail. And here's a 2 USB adapter from USB-A to USB-C and from USB-A to USB Mini. Very convenient. In case if you only have not USB-A adapter, you can use the USB adapter. On the other hand, this side connect to the pad is USB-C. Here's the XPPen pad. You have 4 corners define the location. There are 8 shortcut key. You can see the second button has the little bit features text, and it's about almost 10 inch, 7 inch, and 4 inch wide on the 4.5 wide on the written area. It's weighted about 313 gram, so very light. And here's a one full size letter. The written pad is about half size of the full letter. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how I use it on the Microsoft Whiteboard application. You can use it writing very smoothly and almost effortless, and you can tilt the pen. What I really like is after you write any shape, you can Alt key plus S key to give you a regular shape. You know, for instance, this is the physics class notes. I can simply draw it and convert it to regular shape. I can draw a free body diagram. I can even write on the equations just like the same way I write on the paper. Plus, I can switch the color, and very convenient. You know, I don't feel any difference. There's a really great convenience. I can also set up all those short keys. They have 8 shortcut keys. I can set up one by one. And here's a working area mapping. I just use the default. That's sufficient enough. You can also changing the 2 push button on the pen. You know, overall, this is a very good quality, travel size. Really like it. 5 stars. Thank you.